Hello everyone, my name is Matt Venable. I'm with Koch Machinery. Today we're in our Atlanta, Georgia showroom, and I want to introduce you to our Koch ENDMASTER-K machine. This machine was designed for MDF wrapped 5-piece cabinet doors. Now you may know Koch as a leader in boring and dowel insertion machinery for over 60 years. We've developed our ENDMASTER-K machine for the special application of producing cabinet doors from wrapped MDF material. You may also know these doors as DLV doors, or direct laminate veneer doors. The doors are really popular now, and one reason is because they're offered in many different colors and textures, much more than you can get with solid wood. But the issue is, in producing them, you have to have specialized equipment. At Koch, we have produced our ENDMASTER-K to cover the ends of showing the raw MDF with an edge banding, and then routing that based on your profiling, and then boring it for the mating dowels. In addition to the ENDMASTER-K machine, which we'll see today, we've also developed a whole range of equipment that is used in the production of these 5-piece doors. It includes a precision crosscut saw for a precise and square cut to length, and also a machine for processing the rails, where we apply a hot foil to the edge of the material and then bore and dowel the rails to be assembled together with the sides. So one of the challenges you have when making a 5-piece MDF wrapped door is the ends of the stiles. You have this raw MDF that you can't paint, and it's very difficult for a normal edge bander to apply edge banding to it. I'm now going to demonstrate running some parts. On this machine we have 2 working zones. So we first load the first zone, actuate the clamps. We're clamping from both the top and the sides, so we're securely holding the pieces. We now load our second zone, again actuating the clamps, and now we're ready to run the cycle. We have a 2-hand operating sequence here, so we're pressing both buttons for safety, and the operating sequence will start. So we now have one end done. We're going to now reverse this to run the other end. We also offer many options for our machine, such as an additional glue pot, a magazine for multiple rolls of edge banding, and a formatting station that squares the end of your part before processing. At Koch Machinery, we have machines that can produce from 400 doors per day up to several thousand per day, depending on your requirements. Please contact us for additional information. You can also visit us at our website or contact us via LinkedIn. I want to thank you for your time and look forward to hearing from you.